Yes, good morning, my dear students. In this video, you are going to learn something about gerund and present participle. Here, 5 sentences are given. In each sentence, one V1 ing is there. We have to identify whether the V1 ing is gerund or present participle. Generally, in most of the books, all these V1 ings are shown as gerund, but that is not in 3 sentences. The V1 ing is not gerund. That is the typical thing I am going to explain in this video. Okay, what is gerund? Gerund is nothing but is a V1 ing. It functions as a noun. It functions as a noun. It appears as a subject of the sentence, and also it appears as an object of the sentence. At the beginning, at the ending, we find V1 ing, that is gerund. It functions as a noun. And present participle. Present participle is also the formation of present participle is V1 ing. It functions as verb and also adjective. In previous class you learnt. Now let us see what is gerund and what is present participle. Okay. The north wind ceased roaring. The north wind, this is subject, and ceased is verb, and roaring, it is an object. The roaring is an object in this sentence. It functions as a noun. So the roaring is the gerund, there is no doubt at all. Here the gerund is as an object. And the child did not see the giant coming. What is the did not see? This is the main verb, and coming, this is V1 ing. Let us see. This V1 ing is gerund or present participle. Present participle means here it functions as a verb. Okay, let us see. In most of the grammar books, it is said, it is shown as a gerund, but it is not gerund, because what is that? The main verb of perception, see, look, hear, smell, taste, these are called verbs of perception. When you find the verbs of perception in the sentence as a main verb, if the V1 ing is followed object or objective case, that is treated as present participle. Okay. This, what is the giant is the object in the sentence. For example, the child did not see them. For example, him, giant is nothing but him. If we change into pronoun, this pronoun is it in present, is it in subjunctive case or objective case? He, him, he is the subjunctive case, him is the objective case. Thus the giant means here him. So when V1 ing is followed the pronoun which is in objective case, then it will be treated as present participle. Are you following me? Not his coming, the giant coming. Who is coming? His coming, giant's coming. If it is apostrophe s, immediately it would be gerund, but there is no apostrophe. It is not in possessive case. If it is in possessive case, the V1 ing coming would be gerund, but it is not in possessive case, it is in objective case. So here coming is present participle. I like his singing. I like his singing. Here his is the pronoun, it is in possessive case. It is in possessive case, but here the giant means him. If we change it to pronoun, it will become him. So it is in objective case. If it is now I like his singing. This singing is gerund, but it is not gerund. Especially when in the sentence where the main verb is in the form of verb of perception, we find as the main verb we find verb of perception. Then in that sentence this V1 ing is called present participle. Are you following me? Next, I heard the children whispering. Here whispering is V1 ing. Heard, it is also verb of perception. Smell, hear, listen, taste, look, watch. These are called verbs of perception. When you find these verbs of perception in the sentence and V1 ing is followed the pronoun which is in objective case, that V1 ing is called, what is that? Present participle. So this is verb of perception, and whispering is the children means them. It is in objective case, not their. It is not their. It is equal to them. So the V1 ing is followed the pronoun which is in objective case. So a whispering is also present participle. It is also called present participle. It is also called present participle. Next, why is the spring so late in coming? Here in the coming, if the V1 ing is followed a preposition, then it will be called gerund. Is interested in telling stories. Is interested in telling stories. In telling. In is the preposition. Telling is the gerund. Telling stories. And she believes in praying to God. She believes in praying to God. Believes in. After in we find praying. Praying is V1. That V1 is not V1, that is gerund, because it followed preposition. In that sense, here in is the preposition. If V1 ing is followed the preposition, then it is called gerund. It is called gerund. And it is very simple. Walking makes you healthy. This is the verb, this is object, and walking V1 ing has come as a subject. So this is gerund. The north wind sees roaring. In this sentence, roaring is gerund. The child did not see the giant coming. This is the present participle. And I heard the children whispering. This is present participle. And this is gerund in coming. And walking means, here it is gerund. I think you could understand what I said. Thank you.